So I have a 3D drawing here of this little thing, what I'm going to make. Here we have the drawing of the holes that are in this little thing I make. There's room for 2 cameras and 2 microphones in here. Let's close that. So this is how it looks like, a little carrier for the camera on the table, of course. So, when you don't have the camera floating around all over the place and the microphones, you have them neat together in one and the same spot. Let's see here. We can switch this CAD program to 3D view, and then we can use red cyan glasses to see this whole thing in 3D before we even make it, to have an idea, an impression how this would look and feel like. And once we have this ready here, we can grab this model and just put it into our 3D printer slicer tool. And in there, then we can simulate how this thing is going to print. Slice it there, and then we can see layer by layer how the printer will glue those plastic pieces together to make this wonderful device here. Let's go. We can see here immediately how this thing looks like, and there's areas shown in different colors for different problems, if there are any. Here we also see how long it takes, like 1.5 hours, and it costs us $1 to make, like $1 in material to put in here. 3D printed. Action 5. Action 4. And then the Mic 2 microphone. And another Mic 2 microphone. So, and now it doesn't float around on the table like before you go vlogging or whatever. You have all your stuff together, all nicely in black. I could do different colors here if I have to. Or custom names down here, like a text. How much is this worth on Etsy?